I'll be showing you glimpses of my recent creative costume fashion show for kids. If you have watched my previous video, you know that I went to Chickpet to purchase accessories and source some fabrics for this show. This event is very special for me because this is a first time show for my brand Swords group, and first time my daughter Kiara walked the ramp. It's all like very close to my heart, so watch the full video and give me your genuine feedback. I would love that. We worked on 10 themes for this event. All the audience were so happy with the costume ramp walk. Kids did so well. Without any further delay, let's get into the video.
I am Arpita. I'm a fashion and graphic designer with 15 years of experience in the industry, and I'm also a fashion YouTuber. So at Swords, we deal with custom created costumes for events and uniforms for school children and teachers and staff. So today we are showcasing our creative costumes for kids.
Open the club and get shit cracking.
Let me know how you liked it. Just comment below and tell me what all you think. If you are interested to watch the full video, don't forget to check out Swords Group's channel, which is again managed by myself. So go ahead and watch the full video there. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.